This is truly unbelievable. Now, I just put 2 quarters on number 4. And on number 3, dryer number 3 is not working as well. This is incredible. I just put 2 quarters in both dryers and it's not working. It's not taking my quarter. What is this? I'm gonna have to remove all my clothes and dryer number 2. Let's see if dryer number 2 works. Just quarter number 1, took 1, number 2. It's not taking number 2. This is incredible. I'll try number 1. No, I can't even dry my clothes now. Oh, number 1 doesn't even work. It's not taking the quarter. So as you can see, none of the dryers are taking quarters. None of the dryers. And the Greenwald app is not working. Now I have clothes that I can't dry. None of the quarters are working. None of them taking quarters. So dryer number 4 took 2 quarters, and the third one's not taking it. Dryer number 3 took 2 quarters, the third one's not taking it. Dryer number 2 took 2 quarters. It's not taking it. This is incredible. This is insane. And number 1's not even taking 1.